Welcome, everyone, to Daily English Podcast 2.0. This channel is specially created for people who want to practice English,
improve listening skills,
and learn real American English through stories. Here, you will not just listen to English, you will feel English through real-life stories, emotions, and conversations.
Before we start today's story, remember 3 simple tips. Don't try to understand every word.
Just understand the meaning of the story.
Listen once without stopping.
Then listen again and repeat important lines.
Imagine the scenes in your mind.
This will improve your English thinking power.
Now, let's begin today's journey.
Now's story is New York City, where millions of dreams meet reality.
My name is Alex Carter.
And me, Jara.
As the airplane slowly landed at John F. Kennedy International Airport,
Tall buildings, endless lights, a city that never sleeps.
I whispered to myself, "Welcome to New York, Alex. Your new life starts now."
I came to America with only one suitcase, limited money, and unlimited dreams.
At the airport, people were moving fast. Everyone looked busy. Everyone looked important.
A man next to me was talking loudly on the phone. A woman was rushing with her coffee, and I just stood there, trying to understand this new world.
This city was not waiting for anyone. You must run or you fall behind.
I took a yellow taxi. The driver was a middle-aged man with a strong New York accent.
"First time in New York?" he asked.
Yes, I replied slowly, trying to sound confident in my English.
He smiled and said, "Then remember one thing. New York will test you."
As the taxi moved, I saw skyscrapers touching the sky, bridges full of traffic, and people from every country in the world.
This city was loud. This city was alive.
That night, in a small rented room in Queens, I lay on my bed, staring at the ceiling.
I felt excited. I felt scared. I felt alone.
But deep inside, I knew one thing for sure. New York City was going to change my life. New York City, a city that never sleeps.
Every day, millions of people walk its streets. Some are rich, some are poor, some are tourists, some are dreamers.
And today's story is about one dreamer among millions. The arrival. His name is Daniel.
Daniel came to New York from a small town. He arrived at JFK Airport with one suitcase and a big dream.
As he stepped outside, he felt something strange. The noise, the speed, the energy.
Yellow taxis were everywhere. People were walking fast. Everyone looked busy.
Daniel whispered to himself, "This city is bigger than my dreams."
That night, he stood near Times Square, watching the bright lights and giant screens. He felt excited and scared at the same time.
The next morning, reality arrived.
Daniel started looking for a job, but New York is not easy. He heard the same words again and again.
"Sorry, we are not hiring. You need experience. Come back later." Days passed. Money became less. Hope became weak.
He shared a small room with 3 other people. The room was noisy, crowded, and uncomfortable.
One night, Daniel sat alone by the window, looking at the tall buildings.
He thought, "Is this city too big for me?"
Small wins, big hope. One day, Daniel got a small job at a coffee shop. The salary was low, the work was hard, but it was a start.
Every morning, he served coffee with a smile. He listened to customers speaking English. He learned new words every day.
Latte, takeaway, have a nice day.
Slowly, his confidence grew.
In New York City,
People of New York.
New York is not only buildings, it is people. Daniel met people from different countries: Mexico, India, China, Bangladesh, Africa. Everyone had a story. Everyone had a struggle. Everyone had a dream.
An old man told Daniel, "New York tests you first, then rewards you."
Those words stayed in his heart.
Dreams begin to meet reality. After 1 year, life changed.
Daniel improved his English. He saved some money. He found a better job.
One evening, he stood on the Brooklyn Bridge, watching the city sunset. The city looked beautiful now. The noise felt friendly now.
Daniel smiled and said, "New York didn't break me, it built me." New York City, a city that never sleeps.
Even at midnight, you will see people walking fast, cars moving non-stop, and lights shining everywhere.
Some people are going to work. Some people are coming home. Some people are chasing dreams.
New York is not just a city, it is a test.
If you are strong, it makes you stronger. If you are weak, it teaches you fast.
Daniel searched for a job every day. He heard the same answers again and again.
Sorry, not today. Come back later. Money became low. The room was small. Life became difficult.
One night, Daniel asked himself, "Did I make the wrong decision?"
This moment comes for every dreamer in New York.
Small steps, big change.
One day, Daniel got a small job at a coffee shop. The salary was low, the work was hard, but it was a start.
He practiced English every day. He learned from people. He didn't give up.
Dreams meet reality.
After 1 year, life changed.
Better English, better job, more confidence.
One evening, standing on the Brooklyn Bridge, he looked at the city and smiled.
He finally understood. New York does not promise success, it gives chances. What you do with them is your choice.
New York City is not easy, but it is honest.
If you work hard, if you stay patient,
If you keep learning.
your dream can meet reality.
In the next episode, Alex will face his first night in New York.
And learn a hard truth about city life.
So don't forget to listen, practice, and grow with Daily English Podcast 2.0.